To install a NAYAX, we are going to remove these nuts off of these 4 locations if you have a bill validator. If you don't have a bill validator, then you can remove these 4. And we're going to do that with an 30 seconds deep socket with an extension. So I have removed the nuts. In this case, we're going to do it on the top bracket. And I just going to pull this out. Follow the cord and just pull it from the motherboard. And then behind that, you're going to have this display. We're just going to pull that out. Now you'll have an empty hole. If you're going to put it in the place, the lower spots, you'll remove these 4, pull this out, and then just pop this out, so you'll have a hole like that. Now in your NAYAX, you're going to get a back plate that is connected to the actual reader. You just unscrew that, and these are labeled. It's labeled top. So you just want to make sure that that goes into the top. Like that. And you're going to put your nuts on, all 4, and tighten it down. In your NAYAX, you're going to receive an antenna and a cable. And you're just going to pull this clip off there. Put the pigtail into the slot right there. And on the antenna, you are going to, I leave it twist tied like that so it's not a mess. You're going to have this connector, and it is going to go right into that pin, and you have to push this tight. You'll hear it click to make sure it's in all the way. And then you're just going to put this back plate back on like so. Then I'm just going to push this cables through the front as well as the antenna. And it's just going to push them in far enough where you can leave it hanging like that. And I'm going to go around the back. And I can reach around this side, pull the cables in a little tight, and then you're going to get your screws that came off the NAYAX and screw them into the 4 holes. Okay, now I've got all those 4 screwed in and the NAYAX is secure. Then I'm going to take this antenna, I'm just going to pull it up a ways, and it's magnetic. Just stick it to the wall. Then I'm going to take this pulse cable and I'm going to plug this into here, into this black slot, and then I'm going to find the connection to the machine, and this is going to be, and you want to use this one, not the one that splits off. And we're just gonna connect that like that, push it tight, and then if you want to zip tie these to keep them out of the way, and that's it.